Now, with our 11 times tables, all we have to do when we go, when we're multiplying by 1 all the way up to 9, the little trick is you simply just repeat the digit that you're multiplying by. For example, 1 times 11, or we should know that one group of 11 is 11 anyway. 2 times 11, we're timesing it by 2. If we just repeat that digit, we get, so we're putting 2 is 22. Now, 3 times 11, if we repeat the 3, 3, which is 33. 3 times 11 is 33. The next one, 4 times 11, we put 4, we're repeating the digit that we're multiplying by, we get 44, which is correct. 5 times 11, 5, 55. 5 times 11 is 55, that's correct. And you can continue that all the way down to 9 times 11. Now, in our 11 times tables, when we get up to multiplying by 10 all the way through to multiplying by 18, there's another little trick that we can use. What we do is we actually write the sum of the digits that we're multiplying by 11, in this case 10, and the sum of the digits is, so 1 add 0 is 1. If we write the sum of those two digits in between the two digits, then that gives us our answer. For example, we'll do the first one together. So if we've got 10 times 11, if I write 1 and then the sum of the two digits, so that's 1 add 0, between the two digits, so I've got my 1 and I put my 0 on the end, so my 1 and my 0, and then the sum in the middle in between. If I go 1 add 0, I end up with 1, and I simply put that in between the two digits that I started with, which was 10. So my answer, 10 times 11 is 110. Now let's try that with a few more. 11 times 11. If I've got 11 times 11, I simply write the 1 for the first digit of 11 and then add the two digits together, so 1 plus 1, and then the second digit on the end. If I add these two together, so 1 add 1 is 2, and I put my first digit and my second digit of 11, which I originally started with, I end up with 121. 11 times 11 is 121. We'll try it again with 11 times 12. So I start off with my 1, and then I go 1 add 2, and then the second digit on the end. If I add these two middle ones together, I get 3. Write the other two digits down that I originally started with. 12 times 11 is 132. 13 times 11, I put my 1, and then I add the two digits together, so 1 add 3, and put my 3 on the end, so I've got my 13 and the sum of the two digits in the middle. Now 1 add 3 is 4, so if I was to write this out again, I would have 1, 4, 3. 13 times 11 is 143. We'll do it once more. 14 times 11, I put my 1, and then I add the two digits of 14 together. 1 add 4 in the middle, and then my 4 on the end. If I add my 1 and my 4, I get 5. Bring the other two digits down, 154. So 14 times 11 is 154. You can continue that for the rest of those and see how they go.